Hi, Roberto. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing good. Thanks for
Okay.
asking.
Thank you. And Roberto, not to put you out there, but can you tell us where you're from?
Yeah, I'm from Brazil. I was
Okay.
born in Brazil like many years ago, and I've been traveling through many Salinas out there. Yeah.
Cool. So in case anybody doesn't know, Selena is actually the owner of Casa Florida. They have a hotel next door, and then of course they have this beautiful event space to, have events, brunch, and they also serve brunch as well. And just, it's a beautiful, beautiful, spacious space. So, and I actually, as I was setting up, I came across Roberto as he was walking by, and he was so kind enough to join my class today and partake in the brunch. So, and his candle is absolutely beautiful. It's there solidifying, so we're just waiting for that to solidify. And he's also, you had a mimosa today, so you're enjoying your mimosa,
Yeah.
and then he's got his other, okay, wait, and then he's got his other dishes coming dishes coming as well, which is a part of the ticket for today. So, Roberto, if you can, would you just be able to give me your honest feedback in regards to your experience for today?
Yeah. It's a good experience. Just chill,
Okay.
slow, and enjoyable.
Okay. All right. So thank you so much, Roberto. I appreciate you. And Roberto is like equipped because he's recording too. So I'm here for that. And then not only that, he's got a drone. So he's had like the drone going. So I think that's pretty cool. So, but I thank you again, Roberto. And I pray. Oh, there it is. That's the drone. That's the drone. So, and I love his energy. I love his spirit. Beautiful smile. Just great energy. And like I'm just happy with the individuals that have come out to support today, because energy is important. Just being open and present in the experience is important. And I think that so far all of my guests have basically given that type of energy. So Roberto, thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.